I'm Adrian Manns, and I am here live from the Las Vegas Traders Expo. I've got the privilege of having a conversation right now with Danielle Shay Gum. So she is the Director of Options Trading at Simpler Trading. And she's going to talk to us about a few minutes ago. I was having a discussion with somebody on camera here about the fact that I've been short stocks for the better part of a year and a half in my intraday trading. And I'm not really an options guy. I don't understand options all that well, but I'd love it if Danielle explained to us what her position in the market is right now and how she's handling what looks like it might be a market top.
Absolutely. So I'm heavily short this market, and in the options market, what you really need to do is you need to identify high probability moments in time where a stock or an index is going to make a greater than expected move, because without a greater than expected move, you're not going to be able to profit when you're purchasing options. So to do that, I really look for consolidation, and I like to get into a move before it takes off, and I use a tool that I call the squeeze.
So you're a technician?
Yes, that's right. Technical analyst.
All right.
Pretty much. I mean, I'll add a little bit of fundamentals in there, but for the most part, technical.
So you're looking at support and resistance. What else?
Fibonacci. Yes, heavy into Fibonacci.
Yeah, there we go. And where do you think, so let's say somebody's newer to options, where do you think is a good place for them to start sort of trying to understand what's going on? Do you have materials out there that you recommend at your site, someplace specific you would send them, or just sort of a general place to go and try to get their feet wet before they dive in?
Yes, definitely. Well, I run Simpler Foundation, which is basically the intro service at Simpler Options for anyone who is interested in getting into trading options. And within my service, I talk about, I have a ton of setups, right? So on a weekly basis, I will send out the various setups that I'm trading. I also have a Dear Simpler column, sort of like a Dear Abby type column for traders, where I answer questions for beginner traders. And then I also have a learning center that is supposed to take you from zero to trading as quickly as you can. So you can find that at Simpler Foundation.
Okay, so just simplerfoundation.com. Encourage you to look at it.
Simplertrading.com/join.
All right, there we go.
You would think, but that would make sense.
All right. So, again, I'm here at the Las Vegas Traders Expo. We're having some great conversations. We'll be back in just a minute with Danielle to hear what else she has to say about what's going on in the markets and where she thinks you can look for some opportunities in the months and weeks and year to come.